So again, if your CRO, your chief revenue officer, your chief commercial officer is livid because your downloaded white paper was being used by no one on your prospect or client's decision committees, but had the most value to your closest rival, like, of course they're livid. In the same way that I would also be livid if you discovered that nearly all of your conference badge scans had nothing to do with your target account list, had nothing to do with your ideal clients, had nothing to do with your prioritized buyer personas. Because again, like, is it just neutral, or is it a waste of resources at an enormous opportunity cost? Or even worse yet, are we spending our time trying to impress our competitors?